I can stay healthy.
Go. What are you gonna say?
What are you, videotaping?
Yeah.
Hey, yes, I'm from Polk County, and I live in 21 Palms off of State Road 559. We're not crackheads, we smoke methamphetamines. We wear our sunglasses at night, and we always make sure to have our flashlights on full fucking blast. And this is my new bike. I came down to Tampa to get it, and I will be back in 21 Palms, and I will be showing you guys my new fucking prize possession.
And I got 40
We put this masterpiece together within 24 hours. We got a lot of wiring going down here. We got one light in the fucking front, and shit, is the one on the back on?
No, it broke.
Fucking broke. We gotta get another light. We also are gonna be putting Christmas lights on the bike within the next couple of days. And we're gonna be fucking geeking and tweaking. We'll see you soon, guys. From Tampa, Florida.